27 to the power of square root of x is equal to 3 to the power x under square root. We have to find x. So 27, this we can also write it as 3 to the power 3, then whole to the power square root of x is equal to 3 to the power x under square root. It also means 3 to the power x, then whole to the power of 1 upon 2. Because when a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. Again, if a to the power m whole to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m times n. Therefore, it will be 3 to the power 3 times square root of x is equal to 3 to the power x upon 2. Now there is a rule, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n and a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 3. In that case, m is equal to n. So here it will be 3 times square root of x is equal to x upon 2. Divide both the sides by 2. Multiply both the sides by 2. It is x upon 2 times 2 and 3 times square root of x times 2. 2 and 2 here gets cancelled. It is 6 times square root of x is equal to x. Now let's square both the sides. So it is 6 times square root of x whole square is equal to x square. Now when a times b whole raised to the power m, it is equal to a to the power m times b to the power m. Therefore, it will be 6 to the power 2 times square root of x square is equal to x square. Now remove the square root with the square. 6 square is 36. So 36x is equal to x square, or we can write here x square minus 36x is equal to 0. Take x common, so it will be x minus 36 is equal to 0. Now when a times b is equal to 0, then either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Therefore, it means x is equal to 0 or x minus 36 is equal to 0. When x minus 36 is 0, x is equal to 36. Let's verify this answer if x is equal to 36 is right or not. So 27 to the power of square root of 36 is equal to 3 to the power of 36 under square root. So 27 square root of 36 is 6. So 27 to the power 6. 3 to the power 36. Then whole to the power 1 upon 2. So it is 2 times 18 is 36, or 27 to the power 6. 3 to the power 18. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS, or 27 to the power 6. 3 to the power 18, we can write 3 to the power 3 times 6, or 27 to the power 6. This we can write 3 to the power 3 whole to the power 6, or 27 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power 3 is 27 to the power 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 36 is our answer. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.